If you've ever stumbled across a trendy online clothing store that looks almost too good to be true, you'll know the mix of curiosity and caution that comes with it. And that's exactly the case with USA Good Apparel. On the surface, usagoodapparel.com presents itself as a stylish, eco-friendly fashion brand, offering cotton linen outfits and women's collections that seem designed for comfort and self-expression. The website markets itself as if it's the next big sustainable brand, but when we look closer, things aren't quite as polished as they appear. First, the store is extremely new, with its domain registered only in March 2025, which means it hasn't been around long enough to establish credibility or a reputation. Then, when it comes to their product images, several are lifted from other websites, suggesting the brand may not actually own or produce the designs it's showcasing. Another issue is transparency, or rather, the lack of it. Nowhere on the site can you find information about the founders, a company background, or even a real-world store location, which is something most legitimate fashion labels are proud to display. Customer support doesn't inspire much confidence either. The only way to reach them is through a single email address, with no phone number, no live chat, and no guarantees about how quickly or effectively they'll respond. To make matters more uncertain, there are 0 customer reviews available, nothing on their official website, no chatter on Reddit, and no listings on Trustpilot. Without any real-world buyers confirming the quality, shipping, or service, it's impossible to know whether USA Good Apparel is a reliable store or just another fly-by-night operation. So while the clothes may look appealing online, the missing trust signals, lack of transparency, and absence of feedback leave this store sitting in a gray zone. Not an outright scam, but not a brand you can confidently trust either.